Okay, so we have all the key fields in the reference one later, but the key fields are the SO number, DN number, item code. SKU code we don't really use during scanning, but it's actually highlighted in the Excel file that earlier that you sent to us. Gen code
Okay.
as well. And allocated quantity is also not highlighted, but we gather that this should be the quantity that is used for the matching.
Yeah, allocated quantity is the actual quantity we speak lah.
Yeah.
Is right.
Okay. So each file can have one or more set of SO number.
Each file can have one or more set SO number.
Yeah. Basically, if I understand, SO number is your outbound instruction number for the
Yeah, outbound instruction, correct.
So yeah. So so this statement should be correct.
So
Each
far,
file.
each file don't have more than one set of SO number.
Correct. Yeah.
So far, each file
Only
is by one only. But then I am actually seeing if I send you I mean, if I upload this file, one big file with multiple SO numbers inside, then can the program be done in such a way? Because now, okay, now what I do right is I allocate one DN, one picking list, right? Then I got to upload one list. Then I mean I got to download into Excel and then upload one. Then I allocate another one, I download, I upload one like that. But then if that's going to be the way, right, it's going to be a bit time consuming. So if let's say I allocate for 10 different pick lists, and then I upload all these 10 together under one file. So there will be many SO numbers inside, but of course it will be divided lah. I can send you the consolidated file. Then you see whether then if I upload this file, can the program divide it for me and then make into different SO numbers, different files. That means split the file into something like that.
Do we need to actually? I mean, we can actually read from the file. We can determine whether it has multiple SO number, and also need to confirm the customer order is actually equal. Can I say it's actually a one-to-one? That means I can only have one customer order that link that is related to only one SO number.
Sorry? Yeah. So I think I must send you the file, then you will have an idea of what I'm seeing.
Yeah, okay. But
it's the same file. It's just that instead of having just one SO number, right, I will have multiple SO numbers inside one file. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Then, and also inside your actually one SO number also is how to say it is only one customer order number, right? Which is you call it a delivery number.
Yeah.
Or DN number lah, in the sense.
DN number, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So they confirm. And okay, then we proceed. The item code will correspond to a unique gen code as well.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, so a file can have one or more rows of the same item code. But because they are picked from a different location.
Okay. Yeah, correct. You're right.
Yeah, correct. So in the sense, right, during the scanning, we are saying that we want to consolidate the total quantity of this item, which means that it's actually correspond to the same gen code.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So the file will have, like you say, one line maybe will have item A. Then line 5 also will have item A, but the quantity may be different, 1 and 2. But when I scan, I want the quantity to show as I
Total of the
want the
five. Yeah.
yeah, correct, total. Yeah, I want the application to consolidate the
Okay.
mm,
Then we go to the matching criteria. So this is actually based on Jane code. Okay. So the program will do the matching if the Jane code correspond to the one in the SO file, SO number, then you consider as a match, and then you'll take the count as one until total quantity is met. So in the earlier example that we use, if we have total item on row 1 and row 5, total maybe 10 of them. So as and when you scan, and then it matches the scan information to the Jane code for this item. And then you'll
yes,
count from 0, then 1, then 2, all the way until 10.
correct. You're right.
Yep. Okay, then we move on to the next section, operating environment. So we have hardware, which are the Android devices with
Yeah.
the barcode scanning, and then workstation that supports running of the backend service. So just want to discuss this item as well. Because currently the workstation, the backend services actually run on our premises. So in order for this to happen, right, we will need uh, need on site workstation that we can run the service.
That means this
Uh,
computer is where you upload your Excel file lah, basically.
oh yeah, yeah. There will be upload the Excel file. Yeah, there will be different computers doing it though, because a lot of us are
Oh,
doing the office. Yeah, there
No,
won't
that
be
means to
only
say
oh,
one.
that
So
that means to say that your this computer will be inside
uh-huh.
this network of everybody, and everybody can actually access to this computer and upload the file lah.
Yes, yes, correct.
mm,
We will share the
okay.
network lah. Like you give me a network, right? So that I can upload the file into the network. So I will probably share this network to my
Oh,
colleagues. Then they will also be able to do the upload.
oh, okay. So when we talk about the upload, are we saying is to the web page that you currently have, or
No,
you
that
can
means you just
actually
copy the file, right?
copy, right?
Yeah, correct, correct.
Okay. Okay, understand. Okay, next one will be the software. So software, these are the two parts that we
Sorry,
will.
I want to ask something.
Mm-hmm.
Mani, your computer network in your office, are they configured as an admin network or just a normal work group network?
Uh, Domain network.
Domain network means there's a
I don't
domain
understand.
controller. Then when you log in, then it will log into the domain controller. Do you have any idea?
Domain, hold on, domain controller.
Domain controller
I
means when
uh,
you log in, when you log in, they will
uh-huh.
be having one domain controller, like a central controller, where it will control all the resources, your all your software storage resources, or it is not connected. That means when you go into, let's say for example, you're using a notebook computer and you go to office, you just log into your own notebook computer, then you should be able to access to your network.
Yeah, yeah. What you say is correct. This one, the second sentence you say.
So that means it's most likely it's a work group lah. That means there's no centralized domain controller.
No centralized domain controller. Let me,
That
I
means
bring my laptop. I bring my laptop to work, and then there is a I can there is a landline for every one of us. We all
yeah,
use
yeah,
the
correct.
same network, lah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't plug in the landline, can you log into your computer and run?
I still for myself, I still can. I can connect to the Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
The laptop they have given, but then they don't give us the Wi-Fi password and the things like that, lah. They already use my Wi-Fi's what's the EMI number, and is it EMI number,
The MAC
EMI number,
address, MAC
IEN
address.
number? Yeah, MAC address. Then they will configure. They will already add this
Okay.
Wi-Fi to my laptop.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway, to confirm, you just maybe ask your IT people, say that what kind of network system do we have? Do we have a domain controller, or do we configure it as just a work group? We need to know this, because then that will affect how the workstation will run inside this network.
Okay, can. I will ask.
Okay.
Can.
Okay, you can continue.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, for this one, Buddy, if you have on your computer the screenshot, so you can actually refer to reference 2 at the back of the screenshot or the flow. Then I'll go through the flow from here.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, application banner page will be when you start the application, there will be a banner stating the company logo and the application name. And at the moment, we term it as a pick list verifier,
Hmm.
the application name. If you
Okay.
want to change, you can actually suggest what name should use.
Okay.
Okay. Then after this page 1, we'll go into the function selection page. So at the moment, it's only have one, which is the picking list checker.
Yeah.
Again, you can actually change this option.
There may be also a
We
setting
put
page.
one.
Likely to have a setting page as well.
Yeah, we will also include a setting page to test the scanner in case there's no need to actually just go in deep into the pages just to test the scanner.
Okay.
That the scanner is also set up the IP address of the where your workstation computer lah. Should it change, then you can change it over here.
Really change. Yeah.
Can. Got it. I'm seeing the thing.
Yeah.
That should be okay lah. Maybe we can I think so the pick list. So the first window is the date, is it? If I'm not wrong.
Oh, you mean the third one, is it?
The third one. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. We
Third one,
are
the top.
okay. This one we probably need more discussion on this. Okay. So right now it's actually based on the what's that thing called? Customer order number, which is your DN number. The file name is currently your DN number.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah, the DN number will be better.
No, but because we're talking now, we need to have one file that have multiple SO number, right? Which also means that you will have multiple DN number.
Correct. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the file name must be, we are putting here suggest to have the convention of year, month, day.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
I can. Wait, let me think how to separate. Because now if I send you this like this file which has multiple SO numbers, multiple DN number.
Uh-huh.
Then I send you what I mean I upload this file one time. Then maybe okay, for example, maybe I upload my first file at 10 a.m. And then maybe at 11 a.m. I upload the second file. But then
Okay.
the second file, right, will have the same data as the first file,
First one.
but
But-
more. That means maybe
but
10
more, right?
a.m. I upload the file, maybe got 10 SO number. But then at 11 a.m. I will have 20 SO number. But 10 of the SO numbers, right, is already uploaded at 10 a.m. So can the program remove the duplicates?
Oh,
Yeah.
That means
If not, I
actually
have to remove
the second file has also the first file's data lah, basically what you say.
correct, yeah.
yeah.
Then the third file will also have the first file and the second file data. So like that.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So that means actually the second time you
Mm,
upload will be the updated file lah, basically.
Yes, correct.
But you will
So is it possible
definitely have the previous data onto the new file lah.
Yes. Will definitely have.
Oh, okay. How about this? Okay. You would not overwrite the earlier file, is it?
I will override. I can override lah.
Or you
Oh, you
overwrite? lah?
but let's say I override
If you overwrite, that means our update,
Okay.
right, will go to a different file. It will not be on the same file.
Okay.
That
There's
is
going to
visible.
be a time lapse because the warehouse will be checking concurrently. So when I upload the file, the warehouse check. How is this going to work? When the warehouse check already, the file will move to the completed folder. This particular SO number will be moved to a completed folder. Then if I upload the same SO number again, then it will show as not completed, right, again.
Okay, if we are using the same file to read and write, yes, it will be a check. It will be a problem. But if you want to do that, right? Okay, there will be updated files for the throughout the day, right? So we can assuming that you are using the same file, okay. So whenever the program process the file, we will create another record in another file. You see, because we need to consolidate all the SO number, right?
Yeah.
By the join code as well. So the original file we will not touch it. You can overwrite as and when you need, but whenever the program will check lah. So if the check on the so-called the console file, if there is a new SO number, then you actually put in for the processing.
Okay.
Yeah. So that will also mean that whenever store scan and complete, right, we'll also update into the so-called status file, I call it. Then we will never touch the original file. In that case, then we can also use the status file to provide a status file.
Okay, can. Anyway, we'll be going through like a trial again, right? So to further fine tune. So you will do this, and then I will try, and then I will tell you what is the improvement that we can do, or this is going to be a one-time thing because
okay, we will have to firm up most of the requirement, at least for this one, the approach of how we handle
the thing is correct. I mean, what we have been doing so far, right, is fine. It's just that a matter of whether I can bulk upload or not. That is the only thing that we need to try now. Because if I upload one by one, it's going to
Yeah.
take a lot of time.
Correct.
Yeah.
Actually, when the generation of the Excel file is from your WMS system, right? You actually do an export.
Correct.
So the reason why you have
Export.
to do
Okay.
multiple times is because some of the work is not, some of the DO is not prepared yet lah. That's why you have like
Yes.
different
Yes.
timing.
Yeah. Correct. Because along the day from my team will start processing orders at maybe 9 a.m. and they'll keep processing orders until about maximum about 3 p.m. lah. So every time there is a new order coming in, and then sometimes the new order is going out the next day, but sometimes the new order is going out the like for example today is Wednesday. The most of the orders that the warehouse will be checking is Thursday's orders because it's going out tomorrow. But some of the orders will be Friday for delivery for Friday, delivery for Saturday and all. So you'll just keep uploading lah. So when the warehouse goes to a particular pallet and scan the quick list, the data is already there. They don't have to wait for us to upload. So you just keep uploading. Maybe I will tell my team lah, okay, you upload every these are the upload timings. That means you upload at 10 a.m. once, 12 p.m. once, and then maybe the next one is at 2 p.m. So we have 3 upload timings, something like that.
Okay. Is it possible that the each time the uploaded file actually does not contain the previous file content? Is that even
Yes,
possible?
it will contain.
It will
Oh, you
contain.
will, okay.
So
It will
actually, the
contain.
latest file will be the actual file lah, basically.
Correct. But by the time the latest file get uploaded, maybe my warehouse already checked the first file. They already checked some of the data already. Then this
Yes,
S1 number
yes.
already moved to the completed one already. But then when I
Yeah,
upload
yeah.
again, it will show as uncompleted because I upload one more time. Right? Is that how it's going?
No. The original file will not be updated. I mean, so-called we will not update the original file. So we will create another file just to keep track of the status for each of the SO.
Okay. I think this one we
So
have
in
to
that
try
case,
it out. We have to try this out before you confirm the thing.
Okay,
Can we
doesn't
try
matter.
this out on Monday?
This one
Yeah.
we will analyze it and get back to you. So as for
Can.
now, it is just basically every time you just upload the file, I think probably will detect that you actually uploaded a different file. Then what we do is we will then process that whatever lah. So whatever update that has been done, we will actually write it into another file, right? Into another.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So that
Okay.
actually this existing file you can overwrite it with the latest version, right? So then for the completed we will update it into another file, so you know that what has been completed so far. So
Okay.
the only thing is that for that day, that file you just write it as year, month, day. Then we will process this file on that particular day lah.
Can.
Okay. So we just conclude. So you will be for the day you will be only just one file, but you can upload and overwrite the same file.
Yeah, correct. Overwrite the file.
Yeah, overwrite. Yeah, correct. Just keep overwriting lah.
Okay, I have no further question on this point 3. Okay. So based on the flow, right? Current flow suggests is you pick you can actually pick the list, which is the file, and then it will show the list of SO number inside. And for the user, you can actually select which one you want to process it. You want to do the scanning, and then you add to the to-do list below. And any question on this, Adi?
Application shall enable the user. Application next button. Select. Yeah, this is what we have been doing, right? Same thing lah.
Yes. Only thing
Yeah,
is there's only one SO number lah for during the scanning.
There's only one SO number.
For your
Yeah, I mean,
current,
once I select, there will be the only one that will be showing lah. Yeah.
sorry, come again.
Once I select, that will be the only one. That will be the only one which is showing, right? Is that what you're trying to say?
No. So the first box is the file that you select, which is the combined so-called consolidation file lah, right?
Maybe
Then when you
show
select,
your UI lah. Maybe show the UI. Maybe more clear.
Okay. So this is the data file, right? The consolidated file. So user select and then the application will pull the list of SO inside for this file. And what the user can do is you select and then just add into the to-do list.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. So as per what I visited your company, that there's this suggestion they want to actually combine for maybe the two piles of items are there, and they just want to do these two take this together.
Okay. Instead of the SO number showing here, can I replace it with the DN number? DN number instead.
DN number.
Because the SO number for the staff, it will be very, it'll be more difficult to read. The DN number is more direct because they always look at DN number. Yeah.
I see. So the DN number in this case actually referring to the physical picking list is actually the customer order lah.
Customer order. Yeah.
Your DN number.
Start with 07 something lah.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. So DN number.
The second box and the third box is all the DN numbers.
All the DN numbers, that will be better. Although when I scan, right, I only can scan the SO number because only the SO number got barcode. But when I scan already, instead of showing me the SO number, maybe it can show me the DN number. Is that can that be done? Can that correspond like that?
How about in the second box I show both the DN number and the SO number?
Can that will work. That
will be easier, right?
The length of this SO and DN number, are they almost the same length, or they will grow the length, that is beyond the display?
Currently is 10 digit lah.
Currently the SO number is
10 digit.
Is it 10? 24011.
Oh, 11, sorry.
11, right? Yeah, 11. Then the DN number is I think is 10 digit.
10. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, including the 0. Yeah. So 10 plus 11 will be 21 digits.
Should be okay.
We also don't want to make it too small that your user
cannot see.
the age, are they the middle age, old age? Because
Mix.
makes
Yeah,
so actually I think better to make it as big as possible.
yeah,
Otherwise cannot see.
yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. You got a point.
Okay, can.
Okay. Yeah. So but mainly they use the DN number lah.
Yeah, when their first look will be a DA number lah. I mean, if really cannot, then I will just inform my warehouse staff lah that you have to look at the SO number when you do this
Oh.
scanning checking.
Okay.
If it's going to be too small or if it's going to be too many numbers, sometimes you put too many numbers there also. Then it will be very confusing also. Yeah, unless you can divide it with a slash. That means SO number
Can.
slash then
We
DA
can.
number.
We can.
Yeah. That one should be okay. If SO number slash
Okay.
DA number, that should be okay.
Or you want to put the DN number first, since they always look at the DN number.
Also can. That's why I say also if it's for you, if it's okay to do that, then I'm that's the best lah.
Can. No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So after this, when they added into the to-do list, then they will proceed next. And this is a screen where they will be presented with the items inside.
Yeah.
Inside the
This
SO.
one is okay.
All the SO. We're talking about all the SO.
Okay.
To-do list.
Okay. Yeah. It'll be good lah. All the SO.
Yeah.
So they
and then
go
this
to one pallet. They have multiple because one
Yeah.
shop maybe got 5 pick lists so all the SO will be in the pallet. So when they scan, they don't have to go SO
Go
by
back.
SO. Like say
Yeah,
I
correct.
already selected all these 5 SOs, I put it inside. So the screen number 4 will show me all the items which is in all these 5 SOs. Right? Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Can, yeah. This should be good.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Then we have question about number 4 actually. So let's say the store guy do halfway and then lunchtime they want to pause. They will go back.
Yes.
Okay, once they go back, since we actually updating the status of each one, it's fine. The only issue is at this screen, right? If they have to come back, then another person will pick it up.
Yeah.
Right. And then we will, of course, because we keep the status, anybody who pick it up will continue. That's not a problem. But what if you have a big pile of items and then you are doing you need 2 guys to do the scanning?
We will. Is that possible? That means I got 2 scanners working on one pile of items.
It's possible. The one until a point that let's say total quantity for this item is 10, and one guy scan 5, the other scan 5. That's all problem. But
yeah,
before the let's say guy number 1 scan 5, then now second one is scan 4, about to scan numbers is number 5, right? Then guy 1 actually scan another one. So basically one guy sends 6, the other guys already have 4 but scan again. So total now is actually 11. But total quantity is actually 10.
10.
So in that case, right? So what we propose is that once we scan, we will actually check with the backend. So in that case, we will reject the scan or the second guy.
Okay. But I think I will ask one person to scan. I think that will be the better. That means don't have 2 person doing one pile of items. One person do one pile of items.
That will ease off
I
the
will try.
this kind of
Yeah, I will.
situation.
Correct. Because I
Ah,
understand that it become messy if two person do.
Yeah, correct,
okay.
correct. It's better for one person to. They can do different. The to-do list, right? They can be different lah. That
Yeah.
means, yeah. If they say this to-do list is four piles lah, then you say okay, split two lah.
Yeah.
Mm. And because there's only
Can.
one picking list that is actually been so-called attached to the pile, waiting for the checker, right?
Yeah.
So it's unlikely that second guy will actually pick up the same picking list lah. Is that correct?
Can.
Okay.
Yeah.
This about it. Do you have any question for us?
No. So far it looks good lah. It's just that I think I have to try it out lah.
Okay, so
Okay.
I just want to highlight to you also that when the workers scan, if let's say the thing is matched, then you will produce a sound that is matching sound lah. Then if it is not matched, then it will be a different sound, so that it will alert them lah. And of course it will also show on the graphics that it's green or it is yellow. Yellow means it haven't finished, right? And then
Yeah.
white means it haven't been done. So there's a feedback sound that will. So we also try to make it such that when you do a scan, this scan process have to be double checked before you can do the next scan, so that you will not press too many times. So once you scan, it will be like, okay, think you got a sound, then you can scan the next one. But that response is should be quite short lah, less than 1 second. But also depend on your network lah, because it will actually communicate with the workstation computer where the file is lah. So we have to communicate with that computer lah. So for the network, for the Wi-Fi network, the place that you are working should not have problem with the Wi-Fi connection, right?
No. We tried so far so good lah.
Okay. Then
that's good.
lah.
Mm.
Then that should be okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah. So when the whole thing is done, you actually just reference the file by yourself lah. End of the day.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, can.
Mm.
Can. So that means we will upload the completed data to another Excel file, which is then uploaded into another folder lah, of the same date lah. So that particular date and the same date. So you just reference to that file
Yep.
at the end of the day.
Okay.
Can. I think any other thing to discuss? Schedule maybe.
The schedule. So I'll update this document and I'll send to Wadi again
Okay.
When I'm in the office tomorrow, I will send you the
tomorrow.
file where I say that it's consolidated. I mean tomorrow, I don't think you're not working tomorrow, right?
No, you can send to us.
Yeah,
Oh.
but
Send to us lah.
yeah lah. I will
Just
send.
send. We can.
I will send the file, and then you look at the file that has many SO numbers in one file. Can.
You work 6 days, is it? 6 days a week.
Alternate Saturday.
Alternate Saturday. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can you go to?
Yeah. Can. So you can see my screen.
Can.
Schedule. Okay, so today we're on A1 activities. So I'll do the revision and send you back. Then we will for formality we'll do a sign off as well. So this is targeted on 20th, which is next Tuesday, right?
Okay.
Sorry, Wednesday. Yep. But since we already have the requirement, we can actually start coding, so-called doing the coding already lah.
Okay.
Hardware we already placed the order.
Okay.
It may take times, but this is in no way affecting the start of the development lah, until later when we want to integrate the scanner. So this is the order, and then we are anticipating you actually deliver to us on the 27th.
Okay.
Okay, and the next thing to deliver to you will be before the user testing,
Okay.
which we schedule.
I like to make comment here.
Mm.
There are 3 scanner, and then this 3 scanner will come
3
with
scanner.
also 3 cradle lah. Cradle is where you sit
Touch the scanner.
scanner onto it, and then there's every scanner will have extra battery. I think this. I'm not sure whether there's extra battery, but I think so. Okay. But
I think on order extra
the
battery.
cradle because cradle is out of stock. Because they manufacture in batches. So the cradle might not be sent to you when we send you this scanner. So it will be sent to you maybe at a later stage. Probably, I would think towards end of April. But of course, it will not affect the operation of the scanner lah. It's just that for scanner, it's more convenient to charge when you just put on top of the cradle, it will charge. But without the cradle, then now you just have to plug in the cable to the like a handphone like that.
To the scanner itself lah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So just to let you know, yeah.
Okay. Cradle. Okay. Okay. Then the development will start like next week, and all the way to 5th or 12th. Yep. Yeah. So we're talking about 3 weeks from now. So after that, we were looking forward to the user testing lah. So just to think of since after the sign off, right? So there is there's some time for you guys to actually prepare the test cases.
Okay.
Yeah, should be very straightforward based on the flow.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next item will be to prepare the UAT environment. So we will be assuming that the workstation at your site is
prepared
there and ready.
To the network. So we will just load the software onto your workstation.
Okay.
So this one factor target on 15. Give a day of buffer. So if this activities actually can be done earlier, right? We can actually start the testing straight away on 16 as well. Just a day of buffer in case anything unexpected lah.
Okay. Can.
Okay. UAT is scheduled together for 4 days. 16, 17, 18, 19. I think it's 4 days. Hold on. Let me see whether there's a weekend. No. Okay, 4 days. So during these 4 days, we'll be review on every day, and then we try to any issue we try to fix it, and come to the review. That means we can actually extend to 22nd, 25th, so that you can, if you have fixed it, and then beyond 19, right, you can actually test again during this period. Once again, if it's early, completed early, then we can proceed to the UAT early, sign off as well early.
Okay, can.
Yeah. So basically, we're talking about 5 days.
End of the month, probably we hand over everything, and then April.
Yeah.
So is this schedule appropriate for your production?
Yeah, it's okay. If can speed up a bit, it'll be good lah. But I will take this schedule first.
Conservative schedule, but we will try our best to speed up.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
But
Okay.
no promises, but we will try lah.
Yeah, understand. We also want to do it properly lah. I don't want
Yeah.
to.
Correct.
I don't want it to rush also.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct. Yeah.
can,
Okay lah.
can.
Good.
Okay.
So any other thing we need to
Okay.
discuss? That's it, right? So okay lah. I don't want to disturb your time since you are not working today.
Home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay lah.
Thank
So
you, thank you.
We'll
Thank you
keep
for
you
the call.
updated lah. Keep you updated on the
Okay.
progress, and then hopefully this will be successful and will help you lah in your this system lah.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, can.
sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Okay.
Luke. Thank you,
Okay.
Peter.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
thanks, buddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.